There is a very good reason why you should throw a lime like this down your drain. In fact, it has two advantages I'm going to show you in this short video. But you shouldn't just throw a whole lime down your drain or put it down your drain. We have to prepare it a little bit first, and this is how it works. I have two kinds of lime, one kaffir lime and another one is regular lime. The choice between kaffir lime and regular lime depends on you have in your kitchen, but today I use kaffir lime here because kaffir lime has strong aroma than regular lime. Okay, go ahead and take a kaffir lime and cut a nice slice from it. It shouldn't be too thick. With this slice, you can now go to your drain. Before I tell you the advantages, I'll show you exactly how you should place it in the drain. If you have one, you should now take out this grate here, and then you can put the lemon slice here directly into your drain. There is one more important point to consider, but I'll tell you about that in a moment. But what does the lime slice do in the drain? The citric acid, which is always released by the lime over time, can ensure that your drain becomes much cleaner. In addition, the lime always keeps your drain smelling fresh, so if your drain smells or stinks, it won't in the future. You can simply put this grate back on top, or no grate back on top of the drain. But what else is important to consider now? Make sure you don't leave the lime in the drain for too long. Otherwise, it will start to mold. Replace it with a new lime slice every 2 to 3 days. Thank you for watching, and try this at home to keep your drain clean and fresh with this simple lime trick. See you next time.